What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs. With my answer to the Chevy Truck Challenge put out by Steve at Miniature Mustangs. Make sure to go check his channel out if you aren't already. I will definitely leave a link in the description below. And we'll get rolling here and show some Chevy trucks. So first up, we got these 47.5s. These are Hot Wheels. These are variations of each other. Definitely a pretty cool truck to collect. I think these are the 47.5s. Did I grab the wrong ones? These are the 52s. I'm sorry, guys. These are 52s. I grabbed the wrong row. You dummy. I wanted to do it in order, and I didn't. I grabbed the wrong one. I grabbed the 52. Okay. It's alright. Well, these are pretty sweet. Cool truck by Hot Wheels. A few variations of this one. Now we'll do the 47.5 like I wanted to do. And these are Matchbox. Very cool. Nice truck. Matchbox does. I like that one. Okay, next up we got a couple 57s from Matchbox. These are GMCs, but close enough. These are both customs I did, or detailing ones I did. Another nice truck. I love doing customs on this one. These are great. We got a couple 63s from Matchbox. These are both premium ones. That one came from Charles Diecast Garage, because I could never find it. Love that truck. It's one of my favorite ones. Absolutely love that truck. And a couple more Matchbox. These are 75s. Step sides. We're going a little bit out of date order, but that's how I have them in my jammer. So, no big deal. These are a cool truck too. Matchbox does. Okay, let's do a couple custom 62s from Hot Wheels. These are both premium, with the surfboards in them. Best ones. Love the ones with the surfboards on it. Beautiful trucks. And then we got a couple 67s. Yep. These are nice trucks too. Beautiful. Love that black and gold one. It's really sweet. Alright, switch jammers. Just give me 1 second here to get this one off. And we'll put the other one up there. Keep on cruising here. Okay, it's down. Okay. Now, I got a couple of these big boys. I don't know if it tells you the year on these or not. I don't remember. Oh, these are 56, so. But they're lifted up one's wider than the other jammer with the bigger trucks over here. These are cool. We got a couple of those. But they're awesome. I do grab them when I can. Very cool pieces. We got a couple 83s, the red edition, the green one. I only have 3 of the 83. I wish I had more of them. But they go for too much money. It's not worth it for me. I don't think anyway. Beautiful truck though. Love it. See why it's popular. It's a nice one. Nice casting they did. And we got some Chevy. Looked it up, doesn't say the year. They're different trucks. Does this one say the year? And look at them both. One's a Matchbox. I just grabbed them. They're both Matchbox. Pretty cool. We got a couple more Matchbox. These just say Chevy Silverado, 4-wheel drive. Very cool. And we got a couple Chevy Pro Stock S10s. Very cool. I think I have a couple more of these coming. 637 collectibles, 1 or 2 more different variations. I like them. They barely fit in these cases. You have to cram them in there. It doesn't hurt them, but they don't like to go in there. Very cool. A couple 2019 Silverados. Borla. Oop. It's a Matchbox 2014 Silverados. And a couple GMC Cyclones, Hot Wheels. Another awesome casting. I love it. All right, that's going to do it for this jammer. Couple out here loose. This green light, El Camino. Can't read the year. This thing's sweet. Beautiful truck. Love this El Camino. I did a great job on this one. M273 Blazer, jacked up. Very cool. And Auto World square body. Beautiful on the silver with the orange stripe. Love it. Beautiful truck. And then we got this beautiful truck by Hewitt's I bought from them. This custom shop truck, 83. Awesome. Very awesome looking truck. Absolutely love it. Let's just go up close real quick with this. Beautiful detailing. Gorgeous. Awesome, awesome truck. The wheels are awesome. Everything on it's awesome. Very cool. And we'll end it with a monster truck. Why not? This big boy. One of my favorite monster trucks with the American flag on it. I love it. Very cool piece. King of Crunch ones. Not too bad. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again, Steve, for the awesome challenge. Make sure you guys check his channel out. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. Take care, guys. Thanks again for all the likes and the comments. Have a great night.